Today marks exactly 9 years since Senzo Meyiwa was shot and killed at the family home of his girlfriend Kelly Khumalo. The 5 men accused of his murder are on trial. Today, fans gathered outside court to remember the soccer star. Now, the trial within a trial continued today over a second confession by accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi. Ntanzi is disputing police officer Sololom Raphadu's testimony that he willingly confessed in June 2020. In a shocking claim, he says he was tortured and assaulted into signing the statement at the instruction of the investigating officer, to the point where police were not sure whether he was still alive. eNCA's Manqoba Mchunu has the story.
It's 9 years since the cold-blooded murder of Senzo Meyiwa, and calls for justice are ringing out outside court.
It's 9 years later, but looking at the proceeding inside the court, we are no way near, we are no way closer to getting justice, because there are people who are being protected who are supposed to give an account as to what happened.
5 men are appearing in court charged with his murder. A trial within a trial is proceeding, with a second confession by accused 2, Bongani Ntanzi, still being probed. Lieutenant Colonel Sololom Raphadu maintains Ntanzi's statement made at the Moroka police station was made freely and voluntarily. He says several questions were posed to Ntanzi when filling in a pro forma document which lists his rights as an accused.
Do you still wish to continue making the statement? His response is yes. I'm continuing. Have you been assaulted or threatened by any person in order to influence you to come and make this statement? His response was no.
The defense, however, insists Ntanzi was given a pre-written statement to sign and taken to a secluded place in Soweto, where he was severely tortured at the instruction of the investigating officer.
The instruction from Brigadier Gininda was to the accused was that if you do not sign this document, the assault will carry on.
I do not know of any meeting Brigadier Gininda.
So the torturing, the tubing, assaulting of the accused carried on until you told the police officers that were around, after seeing the condition of the accused, you asked them whether he's still alive.
I was never involved in any of those assaults.
They say Ntanzi did not sign the statement freely and voluntarily.
He was ordered to sign that statement.
It is incorrect. He made it to me.
This means that he was not freely and voluntarily appending the signature on the statement.
He did all this freely and voluntarily, my lord.
Ntanzi is said to have confessed twice, the first time at the Moroka police station 3 days after his arrest, and the second time days later before Magistrate Vivian Cronje. But the defense is challenging both confession statements and says they should not be admitted as evidence in court. The trial within a trial continues on Friday. Manqoba Mchunu, Pretoria.